$1 Dogecoin. Are we going to see that play out? A 500% gain from where we're at right now. Is that possible? We got to be talking about this. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Anything I say is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop into this video. All right, guys, we're going to start off here. 333 Blacksea on Twitter. Follow me. I say any Dogecoin holders in the chat. I want to know, guys. Let me know in the comment section below. How much are you holding? Are you holding Dogecoin? Are you just trading Dogecoin? Personally, right now, I'm just trading it. I'm scalping it. I'm longing it. I'm shorting it. But really, I haven't been shorting it that much. Let's be completely frank with you guys. But I want to know, what are you guys doing with Doge? Do you hold it? Are you trading it? Let me know. I personally think that Dogecoin has pretty much a good opportunity to make some big gains here into 2025. And I'll tell you guys right now, people are kind of freaking out. And, you know, if you watch my Dogecoin video from the other day, I said that I didn't really necessarily think that we were going to be coming down to 20 cents, but I do think that it was possible. I was saying there's probably an area of interest of testing around the 20, I'll say this, 0.20674 level. And we did wick down to that price level, creating potential double bottom. That being said, based on what's going on in the overarching market, Bitcoin's breaking below 110,000 right now. I do think that we're probably in for some sideways chop. That being said, when you look at market cipher on the daily time frame, seeing this where you see the green dot, usually you see any of the money flow nice, thick, and green. Usually you'll see the price level increase. And I will say, when you look at this, when I see market cipher, this does look like it's starting to curve up. And when you zoom out, when you look at that on market cipher alone, and you look at really what's going on up here, it does seem like we are slowly making bullish price action. We're slowly seeing this trend turn to bullish continuation, guys. And I am bullish on Doge. And I think that based on where we're at in the overarching market, we're probably just getting ready for Q4 gains. I think that we're probably due for some sideways chop here. That's absolutely fine. We could be doing something like this right now. That's fine. But in the meantime, I'm going to be probably scalping this. I'm going to be looking for a test of 20 cents, this blue level here. And if we do test that, I do think that there will be a fantastic opportunity to long this and get a nice bounce back up to 25 cents. Now, it's not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys what to do. I'm telling you guys what I'm doing in this market. And if you guys do want to trade, feel free to check out in the pinned comment section or description box below. We have a $100,000 deposit bonus to BitConnect, as well as $10 for free when you create the account. And on Blowfin, we have a 10% trade rebate and a $5,000 sign bonus. Feel free to check out all these awesome affiliate links, guys. It really helps support this channel. And if you're trading or not trading, it's good to have all these tools in your toolkit as a trader and an investor. If you want to learn as well, they have lots of awesome demo accounts on there, and there's also a lot of great discount codes as well in the pinned comment section or the description box below. So if you guys want to help support this channel, check it out. So looking at this, Doge is at rank 9. Down about 6% in the past 7 days, down about 10% in the past 24 hours. See, you know, Bitcoin is bringing us down today. The traditional market had a little bit of a sell-off as well. But guys, we're sitting at a $31.5 billion market cap. $3.5 billion 24-hour volume. There's some sell pressure today, that's for sure. But guys, I really want to emphasize on here, what will it take for us to get to $1? We're going to take a look at that shortly. But looking at Bitcoin right now, we're at below 110,000. Bitcoin dominance is at basically 60%. We're excluding stablecoins. And Ethereum is taking a bit of a tumble here, guys. And I will say, I don't think that there's going to be a triple top, okay? I'm sure that people are freaking out right now because it's going to look that way. But that being said, I think that we're due for some sideways chop, spook some people out in September. But regardless, guys, Bitcoin is holding this level at 110,000. And really, in my opinion, when you look at like the daily time frame, we're trading right on it, which is pretty crazy. But we could come all the way down to like 104,000, 105,000, and bullish price structure will still be intact. So we could be trading sideways, spooking people out, make some bear traps along the way before we see some continuation, bullish continuation into Q4, and I am leaning towards that idea. So if you look at Dogecoin, a 500% gain from where we're at right now would bring us to $1, okay? And I do think that it's possible. And if you look at this, like, this does look bullish, like this overall curvature to the upside. We're not yet at that parabolic phase, in my opinion, and I do think that into Q4 is when you're going to start to see some big moves for Doge, and I do think that a 500% gain from the level we were at right now, which would bring us to about $1, a 400% gain or so. But I do think that off the bottom, that's a 500% gain. It is possible to see that play out in Q4. We just have to be patient here, guys. I think that we need to have everyone get spooked a little bit more with Bitcoin, make people think that the bull market's over. And once the wintertime comes, I think that's when you should expect some nice bull market, altcoin season type of move here. You know, guys, what are we doing right now? Altcoin season is slowly, it's on a halt, but Bitcoin dominance is slowly grinding up, and I don't think we see that big flush out until Q4, and that's when you think the big altcoin season will be coming. That's when I personally think, guys. So, like, time will tell, but based on what's going on in the overarching market, based on how alts are presenting themselves in the technical, and really just like the price action alone, a lot of the technicals on different alts look pretty primed and ready to go for some big moves. And, guys, you got to have some pain along the way to see those very beautiful big gains for Doge, right? So be patient, guys. If you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. I just like to come to you guys and let you guys know how I'm viewing this market and what I'm personally doing. I'm looking for some potential longs here if we hold this level on Dogecoin, and I think that September may be a little bit bearish, may spook some people out, but I think in October into Q4, we're going to be seeing some beautiful gains, guys. That's all I got. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.